Precision rail guides are highly accurate products for linear motion and are ideally suited for use in a wide variety of industrial applications. Schaeffler Precision Rail Guides are available in many different designs and can incorporate slide coatings, needle roller, crossed roller, or ball cages. Schaeffler offers the widest range of dimensions, accuracy classes, and standard lengths to meet the demand of our customers' applications. Schaeffler Precision Rail Guides with ball cages are ideal for situations with low to moderate load and with the lowest friction, such as measuring devices, ophthalmic and laboratory equipment, and semiconductor production. Schaeffler offers the Crossed Roller Standard Series, as well as a high-performance version providing 5-fold load ratings and doubled rigidity. They were designed for applications with high load and stiffness requirements, as well as high precision, and can be used for factory automation, machine tools, production machines for electronics and semiconductors, measurement equipment, as well as medical. Needle roller assemblies are suitable for applications with the highest load and stiffness requirements, as well as the highest precision, such as grinding machines, presses, and other machine tool applications. For applications with a limited stroke or a dusty environment, Schaeffler offers precision rail guides with slide coatings. The fact is, even under optimized conditions, cage creeping cannot be avoided. The cage moves out of its intended position. This can cause a reduction of stroke and lower load rating. Schaeffler has solved this problem by offering highly sophisticated anti-creeping systems. The cage remains perfectly centered at the loaded zone. These anti-creeping systems are available for ball cages, the crossed roller cages, as well as for needle roller cages. The mounting of precision rail guides without an anti-creeping system in a clamped arrangement should take place in the following sequence. The 2 inner rails and the fixed outer rail need to be bolted down with the prescribed torque. The remaining rail is used for preload adjustment. Bolt this rail lightly and move the lubricated cages to their desired position, usually centered. Adjust the preload with the help of a torque wrench in the shown sequence, from inside to outside. Tighten the fixing bolts of that rail with the prescribed torque. Only a proper assembly and accurate mounting surfaces will lead to the desired highly accurate precision rail guide system.